Hi, welcome to Flutter Junction. Today we are going to learn how to check internet connection in Flutter or mobile application. And before that, if you haven't subscribed the video channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified on upcoming videos. And before moving on, let's see how our final applications are look. This is how our final application looks when you close the internet connection. We see the no internet connection bar here, and when internet connection is opened and it is removed and we get connected here. For that we are going to use the package internet connection checker and the provider for state management. I have already created a project. Please if you haven't created a project, please pause the video and follow the link above in this video. And if you have already created, let's move on. First of all, we need to add the packages, these packages in our dependencies of popsec.yaml file. As we can see, popsec.yaml here and dependencies and adding here. And if you have, after adding, we move on to main.dart file, and then we remove this homepage class. We are going to create our own homepage. The lib folder homepage.dart, and this is going to be the stateful widget. And name it homepage. Let's remove this and import material from Flutter. And if you are a new VS Code user, if you write ST and control space, you will find the options, and when you select this Flutter stateful widget, our stateful widget is created. And similarly, you can create the stateless widget. And then we return scaffold, then close it, and then a bar and give the title and text internet checker and make it const, as it is not going to get changed. And then body column children expanded side center side text connected, and style theme dot of context dot text dot text theme dot headline. So this means we have our own set of text theme provided by the material package, and we are using the headline for style. Refactor it and then import our homepage on main.dart file. /homepage.dart and remove this, and our homepage would be homepage. And we reload it. We shall have internet checker in the app bar, internet checker and connected here. And now we are going to create a widget which is shown when it is not internet connection. As you can see here, we have this no internet connection in the red. We are going to create this widget now. This widget. and I would create it, name it internet not connected dot not connected dot and it is going to be the stateless widget st, and it is not showing. Okay, we are going to create again. Import material from from Flutter, class internet not available extends stateless widget. It is stateless widget because we are not going to change any state of this class. Let's initialize our key constructor. Can copy this and paste. Key then super key colon key, and then override our build method. Build context then return container of height 20, width full width of our screen. That means media query dot of context dot size dot width. This media query gives the width of the application mobile screen. And then color, before child, let's give color will be color star red, and then child center, we are going to place our child to center. Child text no internet connection, and we are going to give some style text style colors dot white. Our text is going to be white, and font size will be 12, and we are going to make it const. Right, now we import this widget into our home page. Import dot slash internet not connected dot dark. Now in column we are going to add a widget, our child visibility. Child would be const internet not available. Close it and comma, and when we reload it, we are going to get the no internet connection here, and we don't want this to be visible when the internet is connected. So the visibility has the visible parameter, which allows us to change the visibility of the widget. Let's make it const first, and then when reload it, our this internet not available widget would be disappeared. As you can see here, it is not showing now, but we want it to visible and invisible when we don't have internet connection. For that, we need to use the internet connection packages, and in this visible we are going to check the internet connection. Provider dot first of all let's import provider, import provider from provider to dot, and then the package internet connection checker. Import slash internet connection checker dot. Right now we are ready to go. Provider dot of internet connection status. That means we are listening the internet connection status of this context equals internet connection status dot disconnected. That means if it is, let's remove const, if the internet connection is disconnected, this visible flag is going to be true, and if internet connection is connected, then it is going to be false. So in error here, I'll write it. We have two imports. Let's remove one, and then let's reload it again. As you can see, we haven't added new provider in main.dart file, so we need to add this provider on main.dart file. First, let's import our package. Import internet connection checker dot and our provider. Import provider dot. And now we are going to, let's remove this first. We don't need this comment, and then wrap it with a widget, and our widget would be StreamProvider of internet connection status, and initial data would be internet status dot. First, we assume our internet connection is connected, and then create empty and return internet connection checker dot on status change. Here this stream provider is like future provider, and it listens to the stream and exposes its content to the child and its descendants, and also the values are automatically provided as they come in. And the major difference from future provider is that the values will trigger or rebuild as many times as it need to be. That means our values are going to trigger as many times as it needs to be when the status changed. Alright, let's restart it and go back to our emulator. As you can see, we can see our error is gone. And now if we disconnect our internet connection, we are going to get the no internet connection here. And again, when we connect the internet connection, our no internet connection widget is not visible now. And again, as in our demo here, we have this text changing when internet connection is changing and not. For that, we are going to check if it is internet connection is connected or disconnected. First, in the homepage dart, and we are going to copy this condition, and then when it is disconnected, we are going to, let's copy this and make this not connected, and when it is connected, then we are getting connected, and then let's restart it again. By default, we are connected to internet, and now when we close the internet connection, we get the no internet connection badge here, widget here, and our text gets changes, and we again connected to internet. The no internet connection red widget is dismissed, and we have our connected text here. And today we learned how to check internet connection in Flutter. If you have any queries regarding this video, please ping me and comment, or you can mail me at flutterjunction@gmail.com. And you can also suggest me some videos, some tutorials on flutterjunction@gmail.com, or you can also ping me and comment. And before signing off, if you haven't subscribed the channel, again you can please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, like or comment. Thank you.